So GoHighLevel recently added the GPT AI comment and also the comment to DM automation feature in their workflow. So with this feature, you can automate a DM according to a specific phrase your followers or someone writes in your post comment. It's just like the tool called ManyChat does. Before you could only automate replies to your DM, and to make it work, we had to do some workaround to make people DM us. But now the comment replies and also the DMs can be automated, and it can all be done with just someone commenting in your post. And I think it's one of the most customer attracting features for your SaaS offering. So here's an example. I'll show you how this thing works. So this is one of my Facebook pages where I promote GoHighLevel as an affiliate, and I offer a free course to my followers, and I've added an automation for this page also in the workflow. So I ask my followers to comment offer, and then I send them the course for free in their DMs. So this is how this automation works. For example, I've tested this earlier. For example, you can see here offer, and here I've DM you the course. So this one is one of my automation response that I've added in the automation. And thanks for showing interest. Please check your DM. So what happens is the next, my account will, the automation will again send a DM to the person that's commented offer with a free course. So this is how this automation works. And also there's a GPT automation which I haven't implemented yet, but I'll show you that also how it works in this feature. So the best thing about this feature is that with this feature, you can easily target any business under any niche with your SaaS offering. Your niche doesn't have to be concentrated on a single niche. You can target different niches and sell these automation features to them. And talking of niches, I talked about some awesome niches that you can target apart from the local business niche in one of my previous videos when it comes to selling GoHighLevel. You can check that video out in the link above, and I'll also leave a link to the video in the description so that you can go and check it out later. Alright, now let's have a look at the automation itself, how this thing works. So there are different triggers that you can add. For example, Instagram. All this starts with a trigger. So the trigger will be Instagram comments on a post. So this trigger will be implemented when someone comments in your post. So, and you can add some filters. The filter will be pages. You can add the page and the post type, publish post, and contains the phrase offer. And another thing is, if you'd like to track the subsequent comment also, for example the second level comment, things like that, so you can toggle this on and off. In my case, I'm only tracking the first level comment, and save the trigger. So same for Facebook. So you can find that trigger here. I'll show you an example. Add trigger Facebook comments on DM. Alright, and you add the page, post. You can also select this according to the post or contains phrase or maybe an exact match. You can add the value here. For example, if you want your followers to write offer in their comment. So this is how this works. Then an internal notification can be sent to yourself so that you know, so that you can know that someone has commented in the post, and you can check if the automation is working or not. And then in my automation, I'm offering a free course, so I offer them a free course grant offer. So this one is also an action that this workflow offers. Then I create and update my opportunity because I'm promoting as an affiliate and they get inside my opportunity. I'll show you here. So this is the opportunity. So this is the opportunity where they get added and they go through these steps until they convert and become my affiliate. So, and then I use an if or else action. So by using this if or else segment, you can determine where the comment is coming from and let the automation work according to that trigger. For example, the first for in this case, we'll say the first branch will be a workflow trigger, and the condition is if it's a Facebook comment on a page post. And the next one will be Instagram comment. Workflow is Instagram comment on a post. So you can add additional conditions also. But in our case, we just need two branches for a Facebook comment and an Instagram comment. All right, let's save this. And after that, the same thing happens for both. So here's the reply that the responses that we can add. You can add more here. And so these replies will be added randomly to the comments. So this is how this comment respond on a comment work. So this is another action that you can add. Then there's the Instagram interactive messenger. So what you'll do here is reply to a comment via DM. So there's another one, reply to DM directly. If someone DMs you, you can reply them directly. But in our case, they are our followers or the that are interested are only commenting on our post. So it will be replied to comment via DM. And you can add your message here. And then you can add a button with your message. For example, enroll to the course here. So I'm sending a course. So this is how this button works. Enroll to the course here. And I've added a course link in my custom values. And I've also saved them as a trigger link. So save the action. And then after waiting for 5 minutes, I just send another message just for a conversation starter. By the way, is this the first time you've come across GoHighLevel SaaS and agency stuff? Things like that. Then wait for 30 minutes. Again, there's an if-else condition. And if the contact replied, then and not replied, so the next action will be according to these two things. If they replied or they didn't reply. So if they reply, we already have received the notification, and when we can know that our contact has replied to us, so the contact will be removed from the workflow. And if they didn't reply, we can add another comment. So I just send a message promoting my YouTube channel. So here's the message. One more thing, if you get stuck on anything, just let me know. I'll make content here to help you out. Plus, you can check out my YouTube for more stuff on GHL and online business, things like that. So this is the ultimate final message that I send, so that if they are interested, they can check out my YouTube channel and maybe subscribe it. So this is how the Instagram and Facebook comment to DM automation works. So this is just the simple automation that I built. There are different versions of this automation that you can try if you have better ideas than this one. And now let's talk about the GPT AI conversation automation. So this one's I didn't build it. I'm just using the recipe that GoHighLevel has created inside of their recipe section. So this one's the same, but instead of replying to the comments according to a phrase, and this one you can use OpenAI's GPT to reply to your comments. So the trigger will be the same Instagram or Facebook comment, and then if you want, you can create or update an opportunity, send an internal notification to yourself, and use the if or else condition, same thing as the previous one. Then here's the comment response that you can add. So this is how you can find this action. So this one's the one here that you can use. Let's cancel it and comment to response, and you can add your prompt here, what you want the GPT to respond to according to the contents that you make, and save the action. And then next will be the response to the comment. The response will be what GPT has created. And you can also add an option if you want to like the comment or not. So let's say like the comment, save the action, and then again another one according to the comments reply, and then another condition if the comment is positive or a negative. Then if negative you can, and you don't have to reply it, and if it's a positive you can send a message to them. It could be anything, a conversation starter or something. So in my case, I added this one. Hey, thanks for showing interest in my content. By the way, you should check out my YouTube where I share more in-depth videos on this topic. Here's a link to my channel. So this one's a trigger link so that I can create another automation if I want to, if someone click my link. So this is how this automation work. You can be more creative and add more automations and make this a complex, automation for your clients if you're good at this. So this one's a simple one. I just copied it from the recipe section and added some extra things from my own side. But I haven't activated this yet. So these are the two automations that GoHighLevel has recently introduced, and you can easily, add this feature as an extra feature in your offer. Alright, now let's talk about a little bit about how to sell this feature. As I've said earlier, just combine it with other awesome features that GoHighLevel offers, with things like funnel, website builder, Google review request, content AI, email marketing, and other things. You can combine them and sell them to different kind of niches. It doesn't have to be only local businesses. And I've talked about some different niches that you can target apart from local businesses. In one of my previous videos, I think I've mentioned this previously in this video itself. So if you would like to check that video, I've also talked about how to package your offer and sell to these niches. So if you like to check out the video, you can watch the next video that appears in the card. If not, I'll also leave a link to the video in the description below. And if you want my free course, you can also sign up for that. I'll leave the link for the free course also in the description below. And I hope you found some value in this video. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.